welcome to this VR. Given that there's this circle and AC is a diameter, okay, and there's this triangle inside this circle where the length AB is 4 meter and BC is 3 meter. Our job now is to find BD, which is 90 degree, if you see, to the diameter AC. Wait a minute. I've got A, B and BC, which is a right angle. So, knowing that, the first step will be for me to find the area of triangle ABC. Okay? So once I know this area, triangle ABC, using 3 as the base and 4 as the height, then I can use AC as my base, BD as my height, since now I got the area 6 meters square, and that will allow me to form this equation: half times 5 times BD equals to 6. And therefore, I just need to slowly solve this equation to get this. And my BD will be equals to 2.4 meter. That will be for part A, where we are required to find BD. For part B, as we move on, we are required to find the shaded blue color area. So I'm going to move to the side here. So how can then we find the blue color shaded area? If I know the semicircle, area, and I already know from the previous parts that my area of the triangle ABC is 6 cm, 6 meter cube, that's half square. So from there, then I can minus away semicircle, area of a semicircle, minus away the area of the triangle. Okay, and that's what Mr. Tan will do. Area of a semicircle is pi r square times half. And this question requires us to live in terms of pi. That means when I calculate, I do not include the pi in my calculation. This is how you do it. Okay? So this is live in terms of pi. So here, you can then see that half times 2.5 square will give me 3.125, and pi, just leave it as it is. Again, this is my green color area. And this is my purple area. So purple semicircle minus away my green triangle. And leave everything in terms of pi. And that is the answer. Now, for part C, now our job is to find the perimeter of the shaded region, and I hope you can see that I already have my AB and my BC. All I need to do is to find this, and I can, because this is a semicircle. The only thing to take note is that the radius is half of 5 because diameter is 5. Okay. And therefore, the perimeter is simply the circumference of the semicircle plus my AB and BC. Again, leave your answer in terms of pi. Okay, let me highlight. This is this semicircle. Half times 2 pi r. R is 2.5 plus AB plus BC. And for those who are not very good at this, please take note. Half times 2 times 2.5 will give me 2.5 pi. The pi, just write it as it is. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.